Hello, my name is Magda Zulay Leon Maecha. I am 31 years old. I am married 4 years ago and I am from La Palma, Cundinamarca, but I am living Bogota. I am studying mathematics at UNAD and work in a sport foundation. In my free time, I like to play soccer, listen music, and dance too. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. The main touristic places are Plaza Bolívar, Simón Bolívar Park, Botero Museum, Gold Museum, Candelaria Center, Botanical Garden, and there are two hills, Monserrate and Guadalupe. The typical food is ajiaco soup, eh, panela water with cheese, chicha, tamal with chocolate, also the changua. There is typical main food, the changua. This is prepared with milk, eggs, cilantro, bread, and scallion. The main celebration is the birthday of Bogota that is celebrated in August, cinema festival, and international book fair too. People usually dance, sing, eat, drink, and at the international book fair, also read it, buy in the get to know another culture. However, visitors can now touristic sites, restaurant, park, enjoy the typical food and listen to history in Bogota. Thank you.